Hello, in this video I will explain how can you make trapezoid when you have measure of all four sides. But it does not mean you can make only trapezoid with these measure. Once you understand the concept, this is just an example. Once you understand the concept, you can make trapezoid with any other measurement as well. So let's start. Before we start, I will make the model to understand. So this is my trapezoid and let me name it A, B, C, D, and let me write measurement as well. So AB is 4, BC is 3, CD is 7 and AD is 5. Now let's start the construction of this trapezoid. So I will start with the longest side that I have, and that is 7 centimeter CD. So I will make line segment of 7 centimeter. So my line segment of 7 centimeter is ready. Now I will take my rounder and I will take the measurement 4. Why I took 4? Because side opposite to CD is 4. And why I considered it, that you will understand soon. So here I will put my rounder over here, and before that one important stuff I forgot, I need to name it. So this will be C and this will be D. I have taken 4 centimeter measure and I will make one arc over here and I will name it P. Now how much measurement for AD? That is 5, and how much measurement for BC? That's 3. So what I need to do, I need to take this measurement turn by turn. First of all, I will take 5 and I will make one arc something like this. Let me arrange my compass perfectly so that I can get perfect construction. So this is my arc, and now I will take measurement 3 and I will put it on P, and I will again make one more arc like this. So now I will make my AD. This is the point from which I can make AD. This is my point A. I will just stretch it. This is my AD. So why I took measurement 5 and 3? Just because I wanted to find location of A. So this is my A and this is AD, and that is 5 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. Now reason I took measurement 3 centimeter and made this, because I cannot directly make line over here because I do not know the location how to make this line perfectly 3 centimeter. I want this 3 centimeter, right? Opposite to AD is 3 centimeter and I do not know how can I make it perfectly. So what I did, I made this 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter, and now I will make line of 4 centimeter. This is 4, right? So this is 4. And this will also be 4. I splitted these lines, 7 centimeter line, in two parts, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So I will make 4 centimeter line over here. This is my 4 centimeter line, and I will connect these two. This will be parallel to this, isn't it? AP will be parallel to BC, and that will be again same measure 3. So that's why I made this 3 centimeter, so that I can get side opposite to this also 3 centimeter. And this is 4 centimeter. So now you might have understood it clearly that I splitted this in 4 and 3, so that 4 and opposite to that also 4. I wanted to get this 4 centimeter. Reason, it's given in the question. AB is 4. So CD and AB are opposite to each other. So I wanted this 4, wanted this 3. So you can keep it in your mind. If you want to make trapezoid, you need to make triangle first. You can see I made the triangle. So this is the end of construction. I hope you find it useful, and you can practice with different measurement as well from your school book or whatever the material you have, and you will be able to do it more perfectly. Thanks for watching.